Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers at this time, according to reports received from several Tigray sources, Tigray Defense Force has completely destroyed the Eritrean commandos and soldiers during this week's fight in the Afar region. Viewers, several sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force has destroyed Eritrean commandos in the ongoing war near the Afar Tigray border for the past week, and several Eritrean commandos have been killed while several commandos have been arrested and brought to the Tigray region. Viewers, but till now, no photo or video has been shared regarding this claim. As a few days ago, Eritrean soldiers were seen in the Afar region and pictures about it were also shared. So it is confirmed that the Eritrean commandos and soldiers are present in the Afar region. But the statements that are being made by the Tigray supporters are now being said that Tigray Defense Force has killed several Eritrean commandos and soldiers, while the rest have been captured and brought to the Tigray region. Viewers, we are trying to get any evidence about this claim. We will share with you as soon as any evidence is received. Viewers, at present, there are heavy numbers of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers in the Afar region, and the soldiers of the Afar Special Forces are also fighting against the Tigray Defense Force in conjunction with the Ethiopian National Defense Force. And according to the latest reports, soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces are moving towards Kobo. Viewers, Kobo is located in Amhara region on Amhara-Tigray border. Kobo is located on the A2 highway, and it is a very important place. According to reports, clashes are underway on Afar border in areas around Kobo. Soldiers from Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces are trying to gain control over Kobo by entering from Afar border, and by the Ethiopian Air Force. There are also heavy airstrikes in the areas around Kobo, especially on Zobel mountain. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are also claiming to defending themselves against the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces. Viewers, according to reports, war is becoming intense and Kobo is currently under Tigray Defense Force control. On the other hand, reports are being received that even near Lalibela, the fighting has been broke out between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force has been present in Lalibela for the past several days, and Lalibela is still under the control of Tigray Defense Force. According to reports, war is becoming intense and heavy air strikes are being carried out on Tigray Defense Force positions near Lalibela by Ethiopian Air Force. Here, the effort of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces is to get their main areas back from Tigray Defense Force. But according to Tigray Defense Force soldiers are able to defend themselves in attacks of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. Viewers, a few days ago, a heavy fight was going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force near Valdia and Marsa, where the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces tried their best to gain control over Valdia and Marsa, and now trying to gain control over Kobo by Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces, and by the Ethiopian Air Force. Heavy air strikes are being carried out near Kobo, and the same situation is near to Lalibela. The Ethiopian Air Force is also conducting heavy air strikes near Lalibela. So viewers, so far this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.